Hi, welcome back to the Promethean Pulse with your education consultant, Allison. Today I am in ActivInspire instead of ClassFlow. And this lesson was actually inspired by one of my ClassFlow students in my class that was sharing with me that she was looking for a way to work with the students she's got on counting money. And she knew how to use ActivInspire and was wondering if there was a different way than how she was doing it. And so I shared with her this technique, and I hope it helps you as well. So right now I am in my ActivInspire flip chart that I'm going to make. The first thing I'm going to do is to look on the top in the right-hand side, I have a blue snowflake. I want to click on that and change it to my red snowflake. The red snowflake is my mode where I can change and move things around. The blue snowflake is when I want to deliver them, and all of the actions that I've added will become frozen and not be able to move. So think of it as lava and ice. The lava is where things can be moved around and changed. The ice is where I'm delivering it, and so all of my layers and everything are frozen. So I want to be in that orange lava mode. So over here, I have my flip chart browser, and over here on the right, I have my toolbar. I like to keep my toolbar on the right. So here I am on a blank chart. I need to find those coins. So if you've downloaded from the KSD Software Center, the most recent ActivInspire, it came with the resource pack already with it. So make sure you've gone to the KSD Software Center and downloaded the newest version for KSD. I'm going to click on that movie clapper and the music notes. That brings me to my resources. And I have already been in with the coins here, but I want to click on shared resources. When I open shared resources, I'm going to scroll down until I find the subjects tab, the subjects folder. Then I'm going to scroll and look for the mathematics folder. Open the mathematics folder and look for my money. Open my money and scroll down to my US dollars because that's where I live. And you can see I have all the bills that are printed and all the coins that are minted. Both the coins have both the front and the back side. So in order to get them on my flip chart, I'm just going to click and drag. And I'm going to use the front side of the coins that I'm using today. And I'm just going to use the most circulated coins. So I have my dime, my nickel, my penny, and my quarter. At this point, I could go to my blue frozen mold and they could move those around, but I want more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these be able to do what's known as drag and copy. To do that, I will highlight all the coins at once, right click, and choose this drag and copy. Notice I can also do a Control-Shift-J. When I Control-Shift-J, it looks like on my orange design mode that nothing is happening. But the magic happens when I change this snowflake to my blue. And now my students are able to show me 77 cents very, very easily. So when we are using that feature, we're able to, this educational assistant shared with me that what she was doing was opening up ActivInspire. sharing her screen and allowing her students to take control through Teams of her screen and count the money. I hope that helps you as well, so that you can open up new ways to work with your students. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow for Thursday Thoughts.